Okay, some of you have problem with design specifications. So this is more details about what is design specification, what are design specifications, right? So before we understand what design specifications are, we need to know what are constraints, what are design considerations, and what are the constraints. Okay, so general design considerations include things like social implication, green, you want to know whether it's environmentally friendly. The production run, you're making one piece, many pieces, a few million pieces, that will imply on your design. Durability, maintenance, health and safety, ergonomics, environmental implications. Right? These are things that you will consider. If I want something to be very strong, very durable, it's designed differently from a plastic bag where it's only used once. Okay? Any maintenance issue? Okay, so you think about it. Next one is about function, appearance, complexity, the end user, and the strength. These has another considerations that will consider how you design your product. If I want my product to be very, very reliable, it will take a very rugged outlook. Okay, if I wanted something simple, it's very simple. Okay, so these are design considerations. Now, some common constraints are things like time, cost, size, safety factors, materials, and use of colors. Right? Basically, these are general constraints. I cannot say I want everything to be black or I want everything to be pink. It makes no sense. Okay, so generally, if you're going to design for maybe girls, then maybe you can use softer pastel colors. For men, maybe more general neutral colors. Right? So after considering the considerations and the constraints, then we craft the design specification. A design specification is a more detailed listing of the requirements, setting out exactly what the product must do and the limits within it should be designed. So it should be a clear and measurable statement. Right? These are some examples. So it should be measurable, and in the end we are going to use this design specification to compare with what we set out to achieve. So try to be as clear as possible and as specific as possible because we are going to measure them. Right? Another example of design specification. They are important because they are used to guide us throughout the whole design process. Now, for your acrylic holder, what are done then some key design considerations? What are some of your design constraints? What are your design specifications? Are they clear, measurable? Are they specific in order to meet the user's needs? Think about those things. Because if you're not clear, it's going to be very difficult to design.